What up, y'all? Here's some things with some things, because these are the exploding kitten BPHDC's backpack hanger dangler clips from Just Toys International. And I already got some of these, and I had the full set minus one, and then some gangster, fugitive, vigilante, alien stole them. So now I don't have them. But then as a bonus, I got one of these Gudetama clips, collect online, and one of these Kirby clips, collect all 11. So we're doing BPHDCs. Let's see who we get. Let's see who we got. Let's get them looked. Ooh, this is the unicorn spewing vomit. Vomitorium up Chuckosaurus. And the cool thing about these exploding kittens is they come with little dingle cards. So cute. Manny cutest. Ooh. This is the big belly Catawamposaurus. No, there is one called Catawampus. Catarwalkie. That's the one I needed from before, dog. Calling all cats, digging all dogs. This is the grenade cat. Don't pull that pin. Don't do it. Ooh, Taco Cat. Taco Cat's a palindrome. That means it's the same forward and backwards. This is Unipig. Pigcorn. He's not a cat. Get out of here. Give me that dog. This is Zombie Cat. He's eating his own eyeball. Don't eat your eyeball, you dumb cat. Cats are so dumb sometimes. Let's see the Gudetama. Gudetama's a lazy egg from Japan. Sometimes he says, I can't even begin to start. Ooh. Ooh. I'll tell you the one I wanted. We got this guy, looks like he's just waking up. We got this guy just hanging on to the chopsticks. We got this guy's like, posing. We got this guy's like, I want to think he's asleep, but like his albumin covers are falling off. This guy, he just can't. He wants to hide under the bacon. This guy looks like he's floating on a lazy river. This is the happiest looking because he's got a balloon. That's the one I wanted, man, because of all these little things, he's never done with a balloon. You know what I'm saying? This guy's like, meh. And this guy, he's just gonna stay in that. He's gonna stay in there until he's done cooking. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna come out hard boiled. But we got the chopstick one. It's kind of cool. The coolest thing about BPHDCs, because I don't know anyone who like walks around with a backpack full of these. It's kind of retarded. I guess people put one or two on keychains, whatever. But you just turn them into Christmas ornaments, and then you have a really dope pop culture tree, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna do a FNAF tree, I'm gonna do a bendy tree, and then maybe I'll do another tree with the exploding kittens and the such, you know, for the holidays. Invite your family over, get a little eggnog, get a little Still wassailing. Wasseltov. Have a Wasseltov cocktail. Okay, Dynamite Kitten. Still no sign of the Caterwalkie. And I'm starting to get really, really angry. And you wouldn't like me when I'm angry. Goodness gracious. It's a big, fat balloon cat. Again. I noticed the other one had all this spare, nasty ink on its little snork mouth. See that? Anyway, I got one more nasty cat, and I got this Kirby. Kirby Lane. Alright, we got this bad guy looking guy. We got a guy with a microphone. We got a guy with a plant crown. Sleepy guy. That's me when I'm angry guy. Excited. Stunned. Cowboy it up. Of course I want this guy that flies. This guy just ate too much. And then there's the snort. Who's it gonna be, guys? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? This is the only one. Yo, dog's not the guy that flies, but it's... I don't know anything about Kirby. Is this like the bad guy? Is this the anti-Kirby?
Let me know in the comments below in the appropriate section when you can. Find the low bar and locate beneath it and leave your commentary. Thank you.
So maybe he'll go in the pop culture tree. You just take this crap off and then you put a nice ribbon on it. Like a little gold ribbon. Maybe like metallic green, metallic silver. Maybe a little metallic shiny, like a metallic essence of silver or gold. Or something shiny, maybe like a shiny green. Anyway guys, that's all for you, all for now. Thanks for coming by. And still no Caterwalkie. I'm very angry. I gotta